everybody, and what is up? This look I did right here is a little upgraded version of my second YouTube video I did, which was a makeup tutorial that was like kind of like all over the place, really discombobulated. So if you want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. I'm going to do my brows off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, now that the brows are out of the way, I'm going to use this Morphe 35B palette, and I'm taking this purple shade right here and using that as my crease color. And with this purple shade, I'm only using a little bit at a time because it's very, very pigmented, and a little bit goes a really long way. Oh my god, I forgot! I'm supposed to add tape. But let me try to wipe this off right now. I mean, I think it looks pretty even. Okay guys, now I'm going to do a cut crease using the Tarte Shape and Tape Concealer. And so with the same palette, I'm using this blue shade right here, and before the concealer dries, I'm going to pat that all in the middle and try to ombre it out with blue and purple. Okay, now that I have the blue all filled in, I'm going to fill in the rest of the cut crease right there with the same purple shade. And now I'm just blending the blue and purple together to make it one ombre color. Okay, so my eyes are all blended now, and I think the next step is to add some glitter. Now I have this what shade is this? The shade is Violet. Now I love these NYX glitters, like all the NYX glitters. I don't know, for some reason, this is from focus. They like shine the most, yeah, they shine the most. Sorry, I can't even talk today. Oops, I almost forgot. And first, we're gonna use the NYX Liquid Crystal Liner just as a little glitter base thing, because it's already glittery and I don't have glitter glue. Yesterday I was at Walmart and I bought this L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Liquid Liner. And the only liquid liner I've ever used is the NYX one, and I wanted to try out a little cheap drugstore brand one that's like equally the same price, and I honestly think this is gonna work. I like the applicator a bit more than the NYX one. I don't know where it's at to show you right now, because the NYX is just kind of like long bristles, and this is actually kind of like a sturdy, not cardboard, but whatever it is. Okay, there's kind of barely any product in here. What the f, L'Oreal? Okay. Now it's time for the other eye. Hopefully we can get some product out of here. Should not have to shake it that much to get some product out of this. Okay, I'm switching to the NYX Liquid Liner because that shit is not working and I'm not gonna deal with that. Okay, and again with the same purple shade, I'm gonna put this all underneath my eyes. And we are almost done. Okay, I'm gonna go wet my beauty blender and I'll be right back. For foundation, I'm using my Makeup... Or interrupt me. For foundation, I'm using the Makeup Forever Y315. To set my foundation in place, I'm going to use the Airspun powder, which I always use, and let's get to it. I'm taking the Airspun powder again, and I'm putting this right underneath here just to kind of cut out my cheekbones. And while that's baking, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Matte eyeliner underneath my eyes. Okay, now with my lashes all curled, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'll just apply it. For lipstick, I'm going to use this matte LA Girl Flat Finish Pigment Gloss. I'm going to take that same glitter and just dab it all over my cute little lip. Now I'm going to add some highlight. I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit, and I'm going to take this shade Forever Lit and apply it all over. So I already popped on some lashes, and the last step I'm going to do is put on some MAC Priming Set Setting Spray. Like this. So now that my face is all set, I'm going to go put on some clothes and my jewelry and be right back. Alright guys, so this is the complete and final look. I hope you like it. Turned out pretty good, I think. I think it's really sexy, a fun little purple moment. And shows that I'm not shitty at makeup, so that's a plus. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe down below. If you want to help me out in bettering my video, please comment below on any tips, tricks, whatever you want. Anything to make my content better. And I'm getting more comfortable on camera. So without further ado, that is it, everybody. So until next time, peace.